Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good oatmeal, low-fat protein cookie. Very delicious and easy to do and soft. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, I'm going to start out with some sugar. That's a half a cup of sugar, sweetener. And then I want a stick of butter. I'm going to cream these together. I'm going to do this by hand this time around. Okay, now that's cream enough. We're going to add in our 2 eggs with some quarter cup of oats, a quarter cup of almond flour, and cinnamon, 2 teaspoons, and then we're going to mix this well together. Okay, and now we're going to put in a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I like to put in a quarter cup of protein powder shake. Okay, then we're going to combine this together really good. Okay, next we're going to take a cookie scooper, place these onto the sheet like that. Okay, now we're done this. We're going to do a taste test on this. Let me tell you, these right here are very soft, very low fat and carb. And I didn't use regular sugar, I used a sweetener. Anyway, let's do a taste test on that. Look how thin that is. Oh my, it's so soft and good. I want to thank y'all for watching me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.